Okay, let's go on. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Madam Ross. Okay, I'm Madam Ross here. So let's go through now. Composition. Today we're going to write a writing body paragraph. Writing body paragraph is for what? Is for composition, which we will all try together later. But before we do the composition, we will do grammar. All right. Question number 1 to number 5, grammar. Then question 6 to 10 is your vocabulary. Then question 11 is your composition. Is it all right? So we are supposed to answer all questions and type all answers in the given spaces. I know some of you actually printed out the worksheet, right? It's okay. If you print out the worksheet, then it's fine. You can just write down anything that we have learned here. If you didn't print out the worksheet because you study online, right? You have an A5 exercise book. Okay, A5 exercise book in there, right? You can actually write down all the good phrases and all the vocabulary and grammar that I'm going to teach you. Okay, some of you, I told you, as I mentioned, you all print out, right? Print out the worksheet so you can just write the answers there also. Okay, let's go through now. Okay, some house rules, everybody. It is compulsory to turn on your video and mute your microphone. Wait, okay, can see, all right. Next, please use the chat function. If you'd like to do any of the following, you can ask a question, you can answer a question, and you can share feedback. So what you do is here, okay? You can chat, you can ask questions here, it's fine. Wait, somebody is coming in. Siva, is it? Utaya. Hold on, I wrote down her name. Okay, because later then I have to mark your attendance. If not, then you know, you keep on stopping, then keep on stopping and stopping, right? So it's going to be a bit tough for all of us. Okay, Ken. So I admitted her already. I write down her attendance. Okay, Ken. So next one is, if there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. You need to be, if you need to be excused, you want to go for toilet break, sure, can. You just tell me and then I will let you go. Then you come back ASAP, okay? So be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class if you want to share any kind of feedback. All right? Okay, let's move on. So we're going to do 3 components today: grammar, MCQs, vocabulary MCQs, and composition. If you find it, if I go a bit fast, right, you all better stop me, okay? You will say, teacher, too fast. Then I will say, okay, Ken, I will slow down for you. Or some of you, teacher, I'm still copying. Okay, Ken, so I just wait a while for you. Okay, so we be patient with everyone. All right, so grammar first. Okay, I've already written something here. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I've written something here, right? Oopsie. Yeah, never mind. Later I'm going to make myself our face over here. All right, so the first question, all right, so if you have with you your A5 exercise book, an exercise book is good, you know, you have, then you can write down some of the meanings, all right? Or you print out, if you print out the worksheet, right, then you can write beside it. Is that okay? So I'll go through with you because this is called prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases, right? The meanings, the prepositional phrase, right? For example, close down is a prepositional phrase, all right? So all preposition. So for example, down is a preposition, all right? So up, what are prepositions? Anybody want to share with me? What are preposition? Anybody want to share? Don't know. Okay, so preposition is like that. Okay, I give you a preposition. Sorry, I erase, okay? I write too fast. Preposition, never mind. You need to erase lah. I just write like this. Yeah. Preposition is in, on, up, above, down, right? Beneath. There are many types of preposition. So preposition is just like one word like that, easy, right? Now, the one that we are doing today is called prepositional phrase. Because what is a phrase? What is a phrase, primary 3? Right? A phrase is more than one word. So it's 2 words and above. Okay? 2 words and above. I write down here, okay? 2 words and above. So this is 2 words, correct or not? And then you got one preposition. Down is a preposition. I put P-R-E-P, okay? So that's why we call it prepositional phrase. All right? Now for each and every prepositional phrase in English, there's a meaning to it. There's specific meaning. That's why it's good if you can write it down, right? Close down, what's the meaning? It means stop business or operation. All right, stop business or operation. So you can copy this down if you have the piece of paper. All right, closed away. What's that? Closed away means to put something or someone or something in a place that is separate from others. So close, away, you put someone in a separate place. All right. Close off means don't allow something to be used for a period of time. Close in is you don't have enough space. All right. So what is your answer here? Let's look at the question. Our neighborhood pizza house has closed down. Number one, because of poor business. Because if poor business, right, usually they will stop. Correct? So this is your answer. Are you okay with that? Okay. OLOO1. Okay, OLOO1. May I know your name later? I don't anybody with that name. Because I think Wi-Fi, sometimes your Wi-Fi may not be so, can be a bit laggy. And then this is what happens. Let me see. Yay, we are like that. Are you okay? Can the answer is A. All right, everybody? Are you all right with that? Okay, can I move? Can I go on? Are you okay? I'm just looking at the names again. All right. Okay, this lesson is recorded, right? So what happens is all these materials will be available to you. Okay, so just go through one time. All right, we move on to the next one. Okay, number 2, right? So I'm so sure you've done this. I'm going to just write over here. Okay, so let's check out other kinds of prepositional phrase. All this is prepositional phrase. All right, set out, set off, set up, and set down, because this is preposition, right? Out, of, up, down. So let's see what's the answer for this. All right, I'll give you the meanings first. In 1860, very long time ago, Florence Nightingale. Who is Florence Nightingale? Florence Nightingale is like a she's a heroine, you know. She is remembered for all the fantastic and good work that she has done. All right. So in 1860, Florence Nightingale what a training school for nurses. So let's see the meaning for set out. Okay. So the meaning for set out is like this. Begin with definite purpose. All right. So you can write it down. All right. Because prepositional phrase is important. It's part of grammar. Okay. So in your school, right, test, exam, etc., you may be questioned. This may come up for question. So you need to know. Is it all right? So you can write down the meaning. Set out means begin with a purpose. What is set off? Okay, I wait for you. Set off is set in motion to begin. All right. Why do I go slow? Because just now, if I write everything, then I just some people may get confused, right? So we do it one by one. All right. So you can copy down the answers. Set up means to place something in position. All right. To establish, to set up business. To establish. The meaning for establish a bit difficult, but what it means is to start also. To start a business, especially a business or school. All right. To start or construct. Okay. Business or school and some other things. All right. So set up. So next one is set down. So let's check out the answers. Okay. Set down means to write, to record. Okay. Something in writing. So you can copy this down because there are many types of prepositional phrases. So these are some we're learning today. All right. So the answer is it Florence Nightingale set out a training school for nurses? It's a bit strange, right? Begin with a purpose. But usually you begin with a purpose, it's not necessarily that you are going to create a school, right? Set off is to begin your journey, especially journey, right? Set off, set up. Very good. Yes, your answer is set up. Okay, so why is it set up? Because start or construct business or school, right? Training school, correct? So you write down as set up here. Okay, answer is C, we write down here. Okay, set down is to record something in writing. All right, okay, I wait for you. Are you okay? Can I move? Can I move next? Yeah. Okay, next one. If I'm a bit slow, if I'm a bit fast, tell me. Because last week some people say teacher fast. Okay, fine. Then I slow down for you. All right. So today I slow down a bit because like some of you say bit fast, so I slow down, right? Okay, can. Next one, let me just go back here. I need to find my pen. Okay, Philip's what his guardians advise. Guardian means some people who a guardian is people who take care of you, right? Guardian's advice and everything turned out well. So guardian is people who take care of you. So what do you think? Act on, right? Lana, take action. You can write down the meaning. Okay. Also, you can also say that you did something. All right, you did something. Example, take action to do something. Okay. Wait, by. Yeah, so basically acted by means someone take action. Where is my eraser? I'm finding my eraser. Someone, yeah, yeah. Someone take action, okay? Okay, action. Okay, acted to. Sorry, okay. And then acted off. Hold on, there's another one acted off here. Okay, to explore. All right, to explore. Hold on, let me see. So our answer is, yeah. All right, so these are some of your answers. Okay. Take action. Take action. Acted on. So meaning he took action. Meaning he took his guardian's advice and everything turned out well. All right. Next one, number 4. Do you know the meaning of cut off? Yep, Chandra. Hold on, I write down Chandra's name, okay? Attendance name first. Later, then I write down, then I pick, okay? So cut off, right? Editor wanted the reporter to what? So just now I went through with you already, right? So what you can do on your own, what you can do on your own is the same thing as what I did just now. What you can do is you can just find the meanings, okay? And then what happens is we can just write the answers here. Is that okay? Can? Hold on. So I give you the answers now. I think you have done this, right? Answer is B, to cut out. All right. The editor wanted the reporter to cut out. Oops. Okay. Wait a minute. Cut out. Hold on. Cut out. Answer is B. You know what's the meaning of cut out, right? You take a pen, paper, and cut. All right. Cut out the paragraph about gender identity before publishing the article. Publishing means you go and when you publish something, everybody gets to read it. Is that okay? Everyone gets to read it. If you publish in the internet, wow, everyone gets to read your article, right? So the editor wanted the reporter to cut out the paragraph about gender identity before publishing the article, meaning take it out, to take out. Okay, to take out. Not cut like this, but to take out that particular, maybe that particular paragraph. All right. Okay, I go on to the next one. Okay, in traditional Peking opera, what is Peking opera? Do you know what's a Peking opera? Anybody knows? Want to chat with me? Anybody knows what's a Peking opera? Okay, maybe I show you what's a Peking opera. Okay, I escape. Okay, keep lah. I think I just keep. Okay, just check out Peking opera. Okay, yeah. Later I go back there. Peking opera. Wait. So you don't know, never mind. I'm going to check it out. What's that? Okay, so maybe I show you. I go images. Okay, yeah, this is Peking opera. Last time in Singapore, this one is very, very popular, right? But nowadays, of course, it's still popular.